My dog Charlie ate his dinner. Then he went to sleep. By morning, he was dead. He was the only one keeping me company since Martha passed away.
Are you sure your dog was poisoned?
What else could it be?
What about his food? Anything unusual?
Nothing seems strange. My daughter Nicole came by yesterday. She brought some dog treats. She said they were from her new organic pet shop.
Did you see anyone near your house?
Daniel next door is always lurking about. He wants my land. And the new gardener, Jerry, was working late. Oh, and the mailman delivered a package that needed my signature. Lots of people were around yesterday.
You mentioned your daughter. Does she visit often?
Only when she wants something. She wants me to move to a retirement home. She says this property is too much for me.
Do you suspect anyone?
I think it is the neighbor, Daniel. I always say that Charlie keeps me going. Daniel wants to harm me because he wants to buy this property.
Hello, Daniel.
Hi.
I am investigating the death of Mr. Harrow's dog.
That old dog was nothing but trouble. It barked at all hours. It dug up my garden. I can't say I'll miss it.
I understand you have been interested in Mr. Harrow's property.
Sure, I have made offers. It is close to mine. It would make a nice extension. But he won't budge. He can barely take care of it.
Where were you yesterday evening?
I was at the town meeting about the new development project. Half the town saw me there.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Nicole. I understand you visited your father yesterday.
Yes, I bring him groceries every week. I also bring treats for the dog, Charlie.
These treats, may I see what kind they were?
Just these organic biscuits. Charlie loved them.
Your father said you want him to move.
Dad can't take care of himself anymore. He is stubborn. But I am worried about him living alone.
And what would happen to the property?
The developers have made offers. But that is not why I want him to move. It is about his safety.
Hello. You were working at Mr. Harrow's place yesterday?
Yes, I was pruning the old apple trees.
Did you notice anything unusual? Did anyone come onto the property?
Only the mailman and Miss Emily. Oh, and that real estate woman taking pictures from the street again.
Real estate woman?
She comes by every few weeks. She takes pictures and makes notes. She works for that big company buying up all the land for the new shopping center.
Did Mr. Harrow know she was there?
I don't think so. But he was arguing with Miss Nicole inside. They always argue about the same thing. She wants him to move out.
Mr. Harrow, did you know there is a developer interested in your property?
Everyone wants this land. This house has been in my family for generations.
Your daughter seems quite invested in having you move to that retirement facility.
This house is all I have left of my wife, Martha.
And what about your will, Mr. Harrow? Who will inherit your property?
Nicole, of course. But I recently told her I was thinking about donating the land to the town as a park.
And your daughter knows about it.
Yes.
The treats you brought Charlie contain traces of a plant-based toxin. It is one that is sold in your store as a natural pesticide.
That's ridiculous. I loved Charlie.
What you loved was the prospect of inheriting this land. But then your father wanted to donate it to the town.
You don't understand. That property is worth millions with the new development coming. It was supposed to be my inheritance.
So you decided to speed up the process? Make your father so grief-stricken over Charlie that he'd finally agree to move?
I didn't want to hurt Charlie. I just needed Dad to move before he signed those papers. The poison was only supposed to make Charlie sick, not kill him. Dad can't live alone anyway.
That wasn't your decision to make. Now, you have lost far more than just the land.
Vocabulary.
Pass away. To die. Example. My grandfather passed away peacefully in his sleep last night. Lurk about. To move or walk around a place secretly or uncertainly, as if you are up to something. Example. Whenever I see someone lurking about near the park, I feel a bit uneasy. Retirement home. A residence providing housing, healthcare, and recreational services for senior citizens who need assistance with daily activities. Example. He attended English classes at the retirement home every week. Keep going. To continue doing something, to not stop. Example. Whenever I feel down, my family keeps me going. At all hours. At any time of day or night. Example. The store is open at all hours for your convenience. Dig up. To uncover or reveal something hidden or buried. Example. The dog loves to dig up bones in the backyard. Budge. To move slightly or make a small change in position or decision. Example. The door won't budge, it's completely stuck.